welcome back to Make with Bake. I'm Ella, and today we're going to make the best chocolate ganache, vegan chocolate ganache. For this ganache, we only need 2 ingredients. The vegan Lindt oat milk chocolate. If there's any other chocolates in your house that you love and it's vegan, you can use it too. But do not use any dark chocolate. And then we have the heavy whipping cream. I use Silk brand. We're going to use half a cup of heavy whipping cream for every 150 gram chocolate. We're going to start with breaking the chocolate into the bowl. So we're going to bring the heavy cream to a boil, and then we're going to add it. But your parents will boil it. You do not boil it. So we're going to mix everything until we get a creamy, chocolatey ganache. Okay guys, this is how it looks after a few minutes. We're going to keep mixing. Don't worry, you're almost there. Guys, if it's still chunky, then ask your mom you put in the microwave for 30 more seconds. Looks perfect. Now, when you see it's all creamy and it looks like this, then you know it's done. Guys, if you're wondering why I have 2 chocolate ganaches instead of 1, it's because this is really good for 2 purposes. 1, to just put it out on the cake. 2, to put it as a filling inside your cake. Okay guys, so this one is going to be just to cover the cake. So what we're going to do is just put it on. We don't need to do anything. But the other one we need to put out the filling, right? So we're going to whip it, and then we're just going to put it in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. Okay, let's get ready. Let's move it a little closer. Okay, that's enough. God, you might need a little help with this, but I did not really need a lot. Okay guys, this looks good. We're just going to pop in the fridge. So we have 10 minutes for the ganache filling. And so we're going to make frosting, but it will not be in this video. It will be in the next video. Now for the ganache. You need to get a big chunk.
Go.
Okay, all done. Good. So now it's time to coat in the chocolate ganache. Oh, wait, I need to spread it a little. I don't want it to drip. Actually, do a little more. No, it's full. So guys, you see how drippy and messy it is? That's the one we did not put it in, and we did not whip it. So it's really good for putting on a cake. Make sure you spread it nice. I'm spreading the sides first, and then I'm going to get a little to spread the sides. Spread, 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 spread. Okay guys, let's decorate. First I'm going to add the cherries. This is good. Now let's put the carrots and bunny. Let's do like let's put one here, one here. Okay, like that. That is good looking. Good. And then one of these. Where we go. Then, now let's add this buddy in the middle. The basket right next to her. The mushroom will go right here. Let's put a carrot right over here. Let's put another bunny in her basket. Then another smaller current growing. Then this buddy is going to be picking it actually. Then another little mushroom right here. And then these two little sticks will be like that. Looks good. And guys, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button before I get a cake. It's life.